Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog. I have a pet. He is a dog. And he says woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof.
I have a cat. I have a pet. She is a cat. And she says meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
I have a mouse. I have a pet. He is a mouse. And he says squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak, squeak. Woof, woof.
Meow, meow.
Squeak, squeak. I have a bird. I have a pet. He is a bird. And he says tweet, 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 tweet. Tweet, tweet.
I have a fish. I have a pet. She is a fish. And she says glub, 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 glub. Glub, glub.
I have a lion.
A lion?
I have a pet. He is a lion. And he says roar, 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 roar. Roar, roar. Tweet, tweet.
Glub, glub. Roar.
Robin Redbreast sat upon a rail. Niddle noddle went his head, wiggle waggle went his tail. Little Robin Redbreast came to visit me. This is what he whistled, thank you for the tea. Robin Redbreast sat upon a rail. Niddle noddle went his head, wiggle waggle went his tail. Little Robin Redbreast came to visit me. This is what he whistled, thank you for the tea. Robin Redbreast sat upon a tree. Up went Kitty Cat and down went he. Down came Kitty Cat, away Robin ran. Says little Robin Redbreast, catch me if you can. Little Robin Redbreast jumped upon a wall. Kitty Cat jumped after him and almost had a fall. Little Robin chirped and sang, and what did Kitty say? Kitty Cat said meow, 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 and Robin flew away. Meow, meow.
Oh, hi, Katie. What's that?
Oh, it's my backpack. It's filled with my stuff. I'm going camping.
What? Right now? But we have a show to do.
No, I'm going later. After the show. Hey, everyone. Welcome to Sing Along with Tobee.
So what is camping, Katie?
Well, it's when you go into the woods and you sleep in a tent.
Really? You don't sleep in your bedroom?
Nope, you spend all night in nature. It's really cool. You get to see lots of stars and lots of trees. And you can breathe the fresh air. And you can even hear and see lots of different animals.
Wow, that does sound pretty cool.
Yeah, but there's more. You can go fishing for your dinner and roast marshmallows for dessert.
Wow, that must be so much fun.
It is. Sometimes I don't even want to come home.
What? You're not coming back?
Oh, Tobee, I am going to come back. I'm just going away for a little while. Lots of people go away and then come back. Hey, let's sing a song about going away and coming back.
Okay.
It's called 5 Little Ducks. I'll teach you the song and some moves too. Follow along. Here we go.
Hit it, Katie.
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. 4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the 5 little ducks came back. Sad Mother duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and all of the 5 little ducks came back.
Yay, they came back.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack.
Quack, quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
So, what'd you think of that, Tobee?
Oh, I feel much better now, Katie. All the little ducks came back, and so will you.
I promise I will.
Oh, will you bring me back a duck, please?
You quack me up, Tobee. Oh, I can't. The ducks have to stay at the lake where they live.
Okay, then, fine. But one day, I will go camping too, and I'll go fishing and sleep in a tent and roast marshmallows.
Oh, yum.
And I'll make friends with some ducks.
That sounds like a great camping trip.
Quack, 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 quack.
All right, everyone. I gotta get going. I'll see you when I get back on Sing Along with Tobee.
Quack, 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 quack. Bye. Have a good time, Katie. See you, everyone. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Bye bye, goodbye.